So I want to welcome you to a new series that's called Funded Next 25K Challenge. So I started a new funded account challenge and I closed the old one. Um, and that's it. We'll just do the weekly analysis now, or basically the weekly recap, and we'll hop over the trades I took and just everything. And let's hop right into it. So that's the news calendar for the week. So Monday I took a trade, Tuesday I took a trade, Wednesday I probably still took a trade, Thursday I took a trade, and Friday I took a trade. Yeah. I'm still figuring out if I will or won't trade like those news events here, but it's more to come about that. So on the weekly, we made turtle soup, down up instantly, so I'm bullish, or that's at least what price action is telling me. So let's hop right onto December 1st and see what I did wrong. So daily time frame, I marked out for value gaps. So after hitting that buy side liquidity on the weekly time frame, we got a strong move upwards, and yeah, now I want to see what market wants to do, if you want to retrace or just continue the uptrend. And the fair value gaps indicate more of a bearish behavior. Then on the 4 hour, I can't really see a lot. Expect that we consolidated, manipulated, made our move. Same thing here. So the move down looks healthy, and I could expect market to go even lower and trade a continuation, because we haven't respected bearish order flow yet by confirming the 4 hour fair value gap, but we do not broke through it. So yeah, let's see what the 1 hour shows us. So the 1 hour, we also tried to break through multiple times, got rejected, tried again, got rejected. So that looks more bearish to me. We want to try it one more time, I think, but we have no manipulation, so I think we will get rejected again. So I will be looking for a continuation trade today. Then on the 50 minute, we made an SMT and manipulated the market with that move. So I was looking for shorts, right? Yeah, shorts. We manipulated market, moved up, probably took out liquidity up here, and yeah, what did market end up doing? It went up. That's from my phone, that's why it's so disgusting. So we did break through the fair value gap. I didn't mark it out, but I also could have taken the trade to the upside, just to that small fair value gap. Oh, what the fuck? Where is it? And I need to look more at the higher time frames too while trading the lower time frames. Like if I see a change in the state on the 1 hour, but we didn't got it yet, so I needed to wait for one more candle close and then wait, I need to. So did we just take out this low here? We didn't took out that low, so better for me to not to take a trade the next time. Yeah, I got stopped out. I don't know why. I probably moved even further down, but I just added the screenshot too late. So my bias was right, but I was too greedy. I will take 50% profit on my trades. It's a risk reward of 1 to 1. The rest will go to wherever my take profit is. I won't do that. I'll just always have my take profit set. Yes. And I lost $120 on that day. So December 2nd, daily time frame. So yesterday we confirmed bullish bias. We moved into the fair value gap, rejected it, moved further up. So I'm willing to see continuation today to the upside. And we have external sell side that's in line with that. So yesterday we ran through a 4-hour fair value gap and inversed it. That's even more bullish confirmation. And yeah. So daily buy is bullish. We also have an SMT in place. I think market will use this SMT to move down, that to then move up. So we have a bearish SMT or a bullish, whatever you want to see. For me, this one is the more interesting one because I want to take a long. I want to see market at least take out these lows here to go up, and then best case would be we take out these lows here, and here we take out that low, manipulate the market with that move up here and continue the move here. That would be ideal. Let's see what market did. So what did market end up doing? Well, I'm actually cracked. So market, I can't really connect those pictures. So what did we do? We probably took out this liquidity up here. Wait, that's the SMT here. We moved up. Yeah, we probably took out this high and then moved down. Reasonable move. And here, same thing. Took out that high. Yeah, I don't know if we took out this high too, but I don't think so. So we took out that high, created an SMT because here bullish, here bearish, so I would be looking for a trade here if I saw that, and yeah, would have worked out perfectly. I don't know what I did, but I'm here to learn, so yeah. I don't really know what market did today, but it is what it is. My bias was actually right. So my bias is just, I don't usually trade, or my bias is just what I want to see, but don't forget that I react off what market gives me. So even if my bias is bullish, I'm willing to take a short if that's what market's giving me. So yeah, but we got stopped out unfortunately again, but I can see a pattern. Like my bias, I want to go in the right direction. I just don't wait long enough for confirmation. Yeah, because also here, like I explained already, there was a nice model that I could have traded. Manipulation, consolidation, manipulation, distribution here. Same. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. But I'm not sure if I could take the trade because of the timing, but it's the 1 minute, so I think I could. Wait, one thing I also need to improve is mark out session ending. That's important, just for the recaps. So then on December 3rd, I didn't took a trade, but we'll still look what I saw. So we still had liquidity above us resting, like really liquidity. We want to take it out. Then what the fuck? So there's nothing on here, but I didn't took a trade, so it's not that relevant. So then December 4th, still the same thing. This external draw above us. That's the 4 hour. Really choppy price action the last few days, but it is what it is. So bad. So I don't really know what I did that day because I didn't document it, but I just got stopped out, and yeah. So my win, or actually 2 wins. So on Friday I will trade. There were news and NFE, but I still traded because this new strategy doesn't really easily get influenced by those high-packed news events. So at the 4 hour, we respected the fair value gap 4 hour. That's bullish. Then the 1 hour market is really struggling to go up, but I still believe that we want to take out external sell side liquidity. So I was still pretty confident that we want to take out that up here. Plus we also saw a big sell off. What the fuck, seal off? Sell off right before open. That's bullish. Yeah, that's also usually bullish. So sell off at open. I didn't mark at open. That's open from yesterday, or is it? Wait, let me see. Yeah, that's open from yesterday, probably. No, it is. And here you can see how I got stopped out. Just market was consolidating and didn't really give me an opportunity. The only opportunity I see is actually consolidation, manipulation, distribution. So it's basically the model to go down. But yeah, we still lost. Okay, so what ends up happening? We did a turtle soup. That means we took out a low inside of an uptrend. So actually we're breaking the low, the uptrend, but that's turtle soup. We do that to continue the upside, and I was really confident in the trade because of the liquidity that was, of the high valuable liquidity that was resting above us. So I first took a long up there. So what we did here on the 5 minute is we moved up, made a 5 minute change in the state, then we confirmed with a 5 minute fair value gap. Where did I enter? I entered after 1 minute change in the state. I didn't have it documented, but I know it. I took off my position up here. Up here, I looked for manipulation again. Do I have something? No, but I can explain. So I looked for manipulation again. We got the manipulation with that move to the upside. Here we didn't make the move. Here we made the move to the upside. We got a bearish SMT in place. What did I do? Waited for 1 minute of change in the state. Entered right here. Targeted these lows. Worked out perfectly, and we made good amount of money. What went well? So today I read the market structure perfectly, exactly. We had a high time frame draw above us. I traded a continuation towards those highs. After reaching those highs, I was ready to take a short if we saw confirmation, and we actually got confirmation. And what can I improve? So for today I'm happy. Maybe I can improve my risk per day and stuff like that. Yeah, no, my risk's actually fine with about 0.5% per trade. But what I didn't notice is I made too much money on the day. So for the funded account, that's not good, because now my target goal is higher, because I can't make more than 40% of the target money in 1 day, and I did that. So that sucks, but yeah. So now let's do the recap analysis, blah 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 blah. So December 7 was last week, so Monday to Friday, perfectly. So total trades. How many trades did we take? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's broken. So 1, 2, 3. I think it was 5 trades. 5. Then wins. We got 3 losses and 2 wins. So wins 3, no 2, losses 3. Win rate, that means my win rate for the week was 200 divided by 5 times 2. 40% win rate for the week. Yeah. Risk to reward achieved. My average risk to reward was about 3. Or let's just put in my highest risk to reward. 3.68. 3.68, and then net P&L. So on this week we made a total of $215. $215.50. Where's the dollar sign? Oh, dollar, no, dollars, no, dollars, yeah. So what I did well? What did I do well? So on the last day, I read market structure, not like so, but also not like move. And the second thing I did well is, I really gotta say that, is my risk management. I didn't lose too much in one day. What I did wrong, I wasn't patient enough, and something that you can see but I notice is like I need to learn how to use Ninja Trader, because for the trades, like, I don't know, I just press buttons and somehow it worked. Mental and emotional state. So emotion during the trades, I had a lot of frustration this week because I lost. Then my discipline level, I would rate this solid 6 because I took some bad setups, but it wasn't like severely bad. Then the biggest mental mistake, forcing trades still. Oh, what is that? Forcing bad setups. And external factors, I just didn't feel good the entire week. Until Friday. That's funny because on Friday we actually ended up making everything back. So strategy review. Did I follow my rules? Not really, I gotta say. Not really. I entered too early. Then best setup this week. Best setup last day, not gonna lie. And probably the short trade. This one, it was my favorite setup from all. This trade right here. Wow. That one. That's such a sexy trade. I'll just copy this. So best setup this week, this one. Then worst setup this week. Probably just all the setups I lost, so I'll just pick one. That actually was a decent one. It's one where I immediately get, yeah, that's actually decent too. It's not that bad. I just didn't wait. I don't. Oh wait, I know where I have it. There was a trade where you could see the trade I took the day before. Was it here? It was here. It's probably that setup. Is it? What the fuck? Yeah, here. Yeah, well, actually, sorry for this. Yeah, I'll just put in a lost trade just to have something. This one, because like we immediately got stuff back. So worst setup, this one. Then did I force any trades? Yes. Then market behavior. Overall, it was more like ranging, so it was more like consolidation the entire week. Also, when we look here, like market didn't really move nice. It was just like more consolidation than really any distribution. So fuck that picture, fuck that. Overall bias ranging, market didn't move very well. Then what trapped most traders? Just fake out after fake out after fake out. Fake out after say, no clear direction and very bad at hunting for liquidity. And probably that was because the VIX, like the volatility index, was really low. As you can see, this last week is from here to 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. So this entire week it was below 20. Where's my line? Horizontal 20, 20. Oh, wait. So how can I put it exactly at 20 on here? So yeah, so volatility like just bad. Yeah, that's probably one of the reasons. And VIX, no, VIX was very slow. Okay, and what worked best? I don't really know, not gonna lie. I just forced myself to write so much about the last day. Okay, then one key lesson I learned today. So, I don't know, one key lesson this week. So I would say the key lesson is learn how to use NinjaTrader. Because I took 5 trades, but I executed like 50. Yeah. Then focus for the next week. More patience. Then also another thing I want to start doing is mark out sell side and buy side before session open. That will give me more clarity for weeks like that, because then I first want to see a sweep of session lows or or of sell side or buy side before taking a trade, and it will probably save me from getting stopped out unnecessarily. And then the first thing, NinjaTrader. Yeah. I mean, I know how to set the orders, but I just popped a pimple and it hurts. Yeah. I know how to execute trades, but I just need to get more comfortable with it, because yeah. And I also need to learn about pips and everything. But yeah, it's a must. So thank you for watching this video. If you could follow me, please. I need followers. No. If it helped you, please write a comment. If you have any questions, write a comment. Check out my other socials, and that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.